Hi friends, this is Akshaya. In this video we will see how to navigate the iOS using Terratem for console connectivity using the mobile phone. As I said in the last video about the complete details and the connectivity of navigating the iOS using Terratem for console connectivity. In this video we will see how to make the connections to in Packet Tracer using the mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open the app of Packet Tracer. They will give a tip every day. We are creating a new file, so click the new. So this is the window of Packet Tracer in the mobile. Click anywhere to get started. So this is the menu of the Packet Tracer. Here we can see end devices, routers, switches, wireless, node, multi-select, draw, WAN, security and hubs. We know that for navigating the iOS using Terratem for console connectivity, we need a PC and a switch of 2960. So in end devices, we have the PC. So this is the PC and we need a switch of 2960. Same process will be repeated. Okay. Now we have to make the connection between these two devices, the PC and the switch of 2960. For that, click on the PC. Now we have to tap any other device or cluster to make the connection. Now I am connecting the PC to the switch of 2960. So I have to tap on the switch 2960. Now I have to choose the cable to connect the PC and the switch. Okay. To save these changes, I have to click on this tab. Now the changes are done and the connections are also done. Okay. Now we have to configure and display the basic device settings. For that, click on the PC and then go to the desktop, then to the terminal. These are default, so leave this. Click on apply changes. Now press enter to get started. Okay. As we can observe here, these are the commands we can use generally in the Packet Tracer, and we can either use the keyboard also. When we see here, the switch is in user exec mode. Okay. Now we want to see the version of the switch. For that, we know that show version is the command that is used to see the version of the switch. Okay, now I am entering the show version. Enter. So as we can observe here, so this is the version of the switch. As we can see that the number of switches connected and the number of ports in the switch, and we can see the model of the switch, and we can see the version of the switch, and we can see the image of the switch. Now we can observe the clock by using the command show clock. Okay, press enter. When we see here, the clock is Monday, March 1st, 1993, which was wrong. To set that, we have to use the command clock set. Before that, we have to enter into the privileged exec mode. For that, we use the command enable. Now, we entered into the privileged exec command. Now we can set the clock. For that, we can use the command clock set. He asked me the current time. Now the current time is 3:06. Okay, and he asked me the day of the month and the month of the year, so I have to uh, enter the day of the month and the month of the year. So the day is 21st and the month is July. Okay, and the year is 2020. Now the clock is set. Now we want to check that the clock is set or not. For that, we use the command clock set again, show clock. Show clock is the command to see the clock. So we can see that the clock is set July 21st to 20 and 20. Okay, this is how we can do the lab in Packet Tracer in your mobile phone. Thank you.